when it comes to adding healing frequencies to your meditation, there are two ways. One is using tuning, and the other one is by layering binaural beats to your meditation. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do both inside Palette for free. So let's get into it. So here I am in my Palette's dashboard. So in case you're not familiar with a Palette, it's a free tool that you can use to create and sell your meditation content or any wellness audio content. So you log into palette.audio, create a free account, and you will be directed to this dashboard. So I'm not going to create a new project like I did last time. This time I've already set up a project, so I'm going to go to projects from this left menu, and morning meditation is what I have prepared. I'm going to wait a couple of seconds until it is loaded. There we go. So the this red bar you see is the voiceover that I've already loaded, and what I want to do, I want to add a frequency music to this meditation. And as I said, I'm going to show you how to add with both tuning music and also adding brainwave frequencies using binaural beats by just layering binaural beats to your meditation. So let's take a listen to this voice very quickly.
You have just awakened, and before you move, before the day begins, allow yourself to rest in the...
Okay, that's good. And now what I want to do, I'm going to show you first the tuning method. So on the left side, you see the music tab, and then under themes, I'm going to select Solfeggio frequency, 432 hertz collection, and then angel frequency. I'm going to leave out the brainwave frequency out. I'm going to explain you why in a minute, but these three frequencies, the Solfeggio one, angel frequencies, and 432 hertz are on a higher frequency level. So for this type of frequencies, what you want normally is using a tuning method. So once I select those, on the right side of that panel, you see 62 results shows up. Here are the name of the tracks, and in front of it you see the frequency that the music tracks is tuned. So for example, this particular Soul Search track is tuned to multiple different frequencies, 528 hertz, 741, and etc. So you see all the results here, and now all you have to do is to go through this list, find the music tracks that you like, and also find the frequency you want to use alongside with that track. So in this case, I'm gonna go with I want to use a 432 hertz music, Pure Soul. It's a soft track. It's a soft, positive track, positive vibe, so it's gonna work for a morning meditation. Once I like it, I'm gonna simply click on it and drag it from this left side to the right side, and you can place anywhere in any of these layers. So I'm just gonna place it right under the voice. It's gonna load up, and there you go. So let's take a listen again.
Good morning. You have just awakened, and before you move, before the day begins, feel the surface beneath you, supporting your body.
So, and there you go. That's basically everything you need to do. And the music with the frequency, with the correct tuning is already added, and Palette has taken care of the mixing for you as well. So let's say I listen to this track, and in some point in the future I change my mind, and instead of 432 hertz, I want to use a different frequency. No problem. So I can basically click on it, hit delete, and then 963 hertz. Let's say that's the frequency I want. So all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna basically drag that, doing the same process. I'm gonna drag and drop that inside the session, and once it's loaded,
notice the warmth of the blanket, the softness beneath your head, the comfort of stillness.
and there you go. So now it's the same track with a different tuning that is added to the voice. So this is the method one, which is, as I said, primarily works for higher frequencies, that the solfeggio frequencies, 432 hertz, angel frequencies, etc. But the second method, which is normally which uses the binaural bits, and it's normally used for lower frequencies like the brainwave frequencies, delta, theta, alpha, and beta. So now I'm going to show you how you can add those as well. So I'm going to delete this track. Again, I'm going to come to the left side, and this time, instead of looking into the music, I'm going to come down to frequency, and here you will see two options: binaural beats and isochronic tones. And just so you know, there are two waves that you can create brainwave frequencies, which are binaural beats and isochronic tones. Binaural beats uses two frequencies on the left and right ear, so it's important that you use headphones when you're using binaural beats. And isochronic tones creates that same frequency by oscillating the volume. So with isochronic tones, you don't need to have headphones, but with the binaural beats, you do. So in this case, I'm gonna go with binaural beats, which is more popular, and I will 26 results shows up, and these are all the frequencies starting from 0.5 hertz, which is the delta waves, all the way up to 100 hertz gamma. So it covers pretty much a wide range of frequencies. Now all you have to do is to find your desired frequency. Let's say in this case I'm gonna use a 10 hertz alpha waves. Again, we are the same process. If you click on it, you can hear a preview down here. If you're using a headphone, you will hear some kind of a humming, oscillating sound, and that's the frequency. The frequency audio is already pre-made. It's 10 minutes long. So all you have to do is, again, click on it, drag it, and drop it in whichever layer you want. So I'm gonna place it on the third layer, which I've already renamed it to frequency. And if we play it again,
Your body is still, your mind is soft. The day has not yet.
and if you're wearing a headphone, or you can clearly hear the frequency under it. So this type of binaural beats brainwave frequencies, they normally work best when you combine it with some sort of a soft music. Obviously you can hear them standalone as is, but I personally prefer, if it's in the context of a meditation, you combine it at least with some sort of a soundscape. So I'm gonna come back to music to add the music as well. In this case, I want to use a very soft music. So under themes, I'm gonna select atmospheric. So these are very soft tracks with not much of a up and downs there. Let's say endless. Okay, open skies. This is one of the latest ones. So again, I'm just gonna click drag and drop, and it's gonna load up into the session, and let's take a listen. Gonna bring the volume down a little bit.
Good morning. You have just awakened, and before you move, before the day begins,
There you go, and you have your music with the frequency. So in this case, again, in case I want to change this frequency, all I have to do is simply click on it, press delete, and then come back to frequency, and let's say this time I want to add a beta waves, or maybe a 5 hertz theta waves. So again, I'm just going to click on it, drag and drop, and once loaded, now we have a 5 hertz theta waves with the music and your voiceover, and all the mixing is taken care of by a palette. So one last question that I'm normally being asked is that whether you can combine these two different methods, the tuning and the binaural beats, together for a specific or special effect. And the answer is yes. Technically it is possible to combine, let's say, a 432 hertz with a 5 hertz theta waves, because these are done in two different methods. So one is tuning and one is layering, so you can actually combine them if that's the effect you want to get. In that case, all you have to do is to I'm gonna delete the music. We have our binaural beats added, so you go and find, let's say, a solfeggio frequency music, and then I'm gonna do simply drag and drop that inside the session. So this track is 174 hertz and our binaural beats is 5 hertz. So we have basically a combination of both in our music.
Nothing.
I'm gonna bring the volume up a little bit.
Your body is still, your mind is soft. The day has not yet asked anything of you.
So there you go. That's how you add both frequencies in tuning, and also brainwave frequencies, the delta, theta, alpha, beta, and gamma frequencies to your meditation, and you can mix that easily inside Palette.